You can sync DejaOffice PC data to Google easily. This allows you to have your data on your phone. There are a number of advantages of using DejaOffice PC on the desktop instead of Google. DejaOffice PC is a native application, which helps with speed. There are lots more fields in Contacts and Calendar. You can even see the events that you have with a contact. In this example, we will start with data in DejaOffice PC and no data in Google. You can use our guide to install DejaOffice PC or look at the product page, which are both linked below. Start by going to Settings, then Sync Settings. Select Google in the mobile phone or tablet drop-down. Go to Settings under Google. A web browser will open with a Google sign-in. Select the account you would like to sync with. Choose Select All, or ensure all options are enabled. Click Continue, then close the tab. Go back to DejaOffice PC. Click OK. Then click Sync Now. DejaOffice PC data is now in Google. Google Sync is a great way to have your data on the go. Let's create a new calendar event on DejaOffice PC. Note how the address field autofills when I add a contact. The change is automatically synced to Google. Let's bring up the phone. The change appears on the phone. Check out the links in the description for more information.